Hi, my name is Diego Cordero and I'm the BI Lead and Data Strategist at Profusion. Today we'll be looking at Sisense BloX and how to create a custom bar chart. On previous videos we've seen how blocks can help us create smart graphic objects, indicators, and now progress bars, and that's how we're gonna create a custom bar chart. So let's jump right into the demo. Here in my code, I've created a very simple HTML that we will translate into a blocks template. As you can see, we have one element here that it's a text block, and then two columns. Now, the first one is a tooltip that shows how the value of in the bar chart. The second one is the column that contains the category. And in this case, it's called local authority because that's the category of the example. And here we have another column that contains the bar, which will show the progress. Now, as you can see, this one is a text block that in the text actually has another HTML element to show the progress. So this is basically the container of the bar, and this one fills up the percentage that it's given. And I've added this style at the top to show you how this is being styled. What's here, we have blocks element, and this is basically the style that goes into each of the blocks elements in the style tag for each element, and I'll show you in a bit. So this is the column, that's the text block inside that column, as well as this is the other column and the text block inside that one. Now this inline, it's the style that goes in the text block, inside the text block, in the text. We've added HTML elements, and that's where we have added this style, and I'll show you in a bit where it goes. And then we have block style. So at the top of each template, we can add more style, like in the general style document. Well, actually, it affects the whole dashboard, but in this case, as we have an ID, it will just affect our tooltip container here. So as you can see, in blocks, you can add styles in many different ways, and I've probably covered all of them in this or most of them in this document, but I'll show you now on the actual template how that looks. So if we go to our template, we can see that we have here is a style tag, the general style tag that was here in the bottom, and then we have inside the text block we have a text, and there we can add actual HTML, and you can see that we've added text inline style here, which is this one. And then we have one column here, the column set, where we have one column, another column, and this is the style that I was mentioning for the local authority container and the actual local authority text block, as well as the bar container. It doesn't have a class here, but that's how we called it in the HTML, just for understanding. And here we have text block, which contains in itself another div. In this case, I called it div inner. So we have style within that element and style within the text. Just so you kind of understand a bit, because it's a bit of a mess. Probably it's not the style, the structure that you're used to if you know HTML, but this element here is the gray background that you see in each bar, and this element here within the text is a green, blue, or the teal element that you see filling up the bar, and the tooltip is a purple element, and the text here, the column, is this text right here, which is a column. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can create custom bar charts. You can, and if you use this technique, you can create a progress bar, or I mean, your imagination is limitless. So you can put into practice any of these techniques, and I'll make sure to share this template as well in the blog post on our website. And also make sure to watch all the different content that we have within Profusion, and we have very talented people showing more content. So thank you very much for watching.